everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll learn how to change the browser icon or fave icon on your Squarespace site. The fave icon is the small icon that appears on browser tabs, adding a professional touch to your brand. Let's dive in. First step is to prepare your fave icon image. Start by creating or selecting an image you want to use as your fave icon. Ideally, it should be a simple design since it will be very small. Now, Squarespace recommends a square image at least 100 multiplied by 100 pixels and preferably a PNG file for the best results. You can search for these specifications right here. Type near pixels, PNG. I'll search for it in Google and download it right here. Or you can use tools to resize your image if you don't have this specifications and this measures. Now the second step is to upload your fave icon. In your Squarespace account, go to design in the left sidebar and click on browser icon or fave icon. And before you do that, you have to access your Squarespace account. And to do so, just click on Squarespace here and enter your account. Make sure you log in using your account credentials or create an account if you don't have it. Once click on here and select account dashboard. Now select the website here and select designs in the left sidebar and click on browser icon or fave icon. After that, click the plus icon to upload your image file and make sure it looks right in the preview. Now for the last step, after uploading, click on save, then open your website in a new tab to see your new fave icon in action. Note that sometimes the change may take a few minutes to reflect, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. And that's all there is to it. Now your website has its own custom browser icon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated branding.